Dental implants, cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Dentures are an everyday procedure for patients who've lost a portion or all of their teeth. They can be a replacement of missing teeth as well as adjacent tissues. Dental implants can enhance your smile and let you enjoy eating and speaking more comfortably, as well as prevent the remaining teeth from moving. One of the main issues for those who are seeking dentures is the expense. Dentures costs will vary widely based on the location you live in. In this short video, we'll compare dentures prices in Europe as well as Turkey in order to assist you in making the right decision on the best place to purchase your dentures. Cost of dentures in Europe. Dentures within Europe aren't cheap in Europe. Dentures costs can differ based on the material employed, the difficulty of the procedure, as well as the place of the dental dentist. The average cost for a pair of dentures in Europe could range between €500 up to €3,000 and even greater. In nations like those of the UK, Germany, and France, where dentures are required, the price of dentures tends to be more expensive due to the higher costs of living and the labor in these nations. Additionally, dental treatment is not usually included in national health insurance. Therefore, patients have to pay for the dental procedure from their own pocket. Cost of dentures in Turkey. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination over the last few years because of the high-quality dental services offered with affordable costs. Dentures cost in Turkey is significantly lower when compared to Europe. In the average, the price for a pair of dentures in Turkey could range between €200 up to €1,000. One of the primary factors behind the low price for dentures within Turkey is the low costs of living and work within Turkey. Additionally, several dental clinics located in Turkey serve international clients and provide competitive rates in order to draw foreign clients. Things to consider when choosing the denture service provider. If you are considering a dental provider, there are a variety of aspects to take into consideration aside from price. 1. High quality of treatment, quality of care. It's important to select a dental facility which provides high-end dental services that makes use of modern technologies and methods. 2. The experience of the dentist. Find a dentist who has expertise in the provision of dentures as well as taking care of patients who have similar requirements. 3. Review and testimonials. Check out reviews and testimonials of other clients to gain an understanding about the level of service offered by the dental clinic. 4. The location. Think about the exact location of the dental practice and the ease to get between the clinic and home. 5. Aftercare. Make sure your dental practice offers follow-up services that will help you adapt to the new dentures as well as deal with any problems that might occur. Conclusion. The cost for dentures within Europe tends to be higher in comparison to Turkey. If you're looking for low-cost dentures that don't compromise on the quality, then having your dental work done in Turkey could be an excellent alternative. But it's essential to conduct thorough research and take into consideration all aspects prior to making a choice. Be sure to consider the quality of the care provided and the experience of the dentist over cost in choosing a dentist.